Assalamu alaikum to Abdullah Patel English High School and Darji Junior College. Today we are going to start by English. Before starting by the chapter, I would like to show you about the portion of our board exam. See student, already in my first video I have shown you the contents about the chapters, prose and about the writing skills and all, right? Um, Here my purpose of showing index again is as this year we are facing major problems. Okay, the major one is coronavirus. Due to COVID-19, our portion has been reduced to 25%. I hope everybody know about this, but um, I would like to show you again if there is any doubt, so I'm clearing it out that in our English subject we have omitted by two chapters, that is 1.5 the new dress and chapter number 1.7, that is why we travel. These two chapters are omitted. That means we are having 8 chapters in our syllabus, but this year, only this year, this 2 chapter is excluded from our portion only because of COVID-19. Okay, then from poetry section we are having 8 poems. From 8 poems only 6 are going to come. 2.7, that is She Walks in Beauty, and 2.8, that is Small Towns and River. These 2 poems have been excluded from the portion only because of COVID-19. So this 4 means 2 chapters and 2 poems are included in 25%. So I hope now there will be no confusion related to 25% of portion. Okay, so 6 chapter we have to do and 6 poem we have to do. So we have already completed by 3 chapters, so our 3 chapters are remaining if we exclude 1.5 and 1.7. In this video, inshallah, I'm going to start by 1.4, that is big data, big insight. Now see here, if you can see, there is no author column is empty. Okay, so here it is not a kind of story. This chapter is not a kind of story, it is included by board. Now what is the reason of including this kind of chapter? Let's see. Big data, big insight, part 1. In this video I have taken icebreakers and brainstorming activity. I hope you people are having textbook with you. Now see, the first question of icebreaker is give business suggestion to the respective industry company for the following situation. One is done for you. Okay, you have received data that. Now what is data? Data, I hope everyone has listened the term data. As we are using mobile, so everyone is familiar with the term data. Data is in simple term is if you are having some information, okay, and that information can be transferable. We can share that information. So that is called as data. Now here some question has been given to us. We have to give the suggestion. Now the first is many passengers prefer morning flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. from Mumbai to Delhi. So the first one is given to us. It is already solved for us and the answer over here is written increase the number of flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. This is the solution given to us. Okay. Now second question is many students are opting for UPSC MPSC exam. So what suggestion will be there? Yes, we can write establish more and more institute at affordable fees. Okay, or other you can write increase the number of exam centers across the country so that the student do not need to travel a long. Okay, next moving further, many people go for morning walk to Kamla Nehru Park. Suggestion, increasing shop at that area, including juice center and local shop. This will be our suggestion for the local people who are going on morning walk for jogging. Or you can give another suggestion like take care of the cleanliness of the park as well as make arrangement for the safety of the morning walkers. Next, many people buy clothes from miracle.com, an online shopping site. So here we can suggest that offline sellers should put this stock in this site. Okay, and another suggestion can be increase the number of delivery centers of miracle.com and keep the customer updated about the latest products. Last, the viewership on television is more about between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Suggestion can be more ads in this time for increasing revenue. Or another suggestion you can put like choose the popular shows to be put in that slot as well as increase the number of advertisement during that period to earn more revenues. Okay, so I hope you people have to listen this and you are writing down in your English notebook. Moving further to the next question, people get information from various sources. Can you name a few? I hope this question is very easy for you people, but then too I have written it. See answers, the source of information. So first is done for us, that is Facebook. By Facebook only you people come to know that what other sources will be. Yes, really, it is WhatsApp, YouTube, Google, and television, the famous one. Okay, and you people are still using this thing, excluding your studies, right? Okay, so here we have completed by our icebreakers. Moving further to brainstorming activity, our first question is A1. YouTube has many videos on various things. Listen to the uses and health benefit of lemon and share them with your friends. See, you are as you people have the idea of how to use YouTube. Okay, so you have to on the YouTube, you have to see the video of the uses and health benefits of lemon, and then you have to share that information with your friends. Okay, in A2, what we have to do, make point-wise note from the lesson regarding the use of big data in the following application. Do not write complete sentence. Now, whatever the information you will be writing, so complete sentence should not become. Okay, point-wise you have to write. So, location tracking, healthcare industry, and education industry. These three are the points given to us, and four points we have to include in it. Moving further. Now see the first question A1, YouTube has many videos on various things. Listen to the uses and health benefit of lemon and share them with your friend. I have given you the answer for this. Take a screenshot and write it down in your notebook. I don't have any problem with that. But if you do by your own self, that will be much better. Okay. So just have a reading of it. Lemons are good source of vitamin C and fiber. It helps to control weight, and so has been promoted as a weight loss food. It prevents kidney stones, protects against anemia, improves digestive health, reduces cancer risks. The fiber and plants compound hesperidin and diosmin in lemon could also significantly lower some risk factor for heart disease. Thus, lemon is helpful for heart health. Drinking hot water with lemon will help you to lose weight. To use of lemon may cause ulcer in stomach and may be dangerous for the health. Moving further to A2. I hope this screen is visible to you people. Now see location tracking. First one answer is to check the status of online orders. Second, to know traffic congestion, to understand accident prone areas, to reduce risks in transport. This is the location tracking. Then healthcare center, how we will see to maintain past record of the patient. Over there we have what we have to do. Especially we have to maintain all the records, past record of the patient, to monitor the outbreak of epidemic. I hope you know the term epidemic. Better diagnosis of any ailment to promote research in medical field. Then the next one is education industry. Get guidance regarding best career opportunities, to provide study pattern to students, to understand the student's strength and weakness, to understand student choices. Moving further, second is when you are asked for personal detail on social media, what precaution will you take? Discuss in pair and write down. Third, do you think all the data we receive is used for positive thing? If no, make a list of the negative thing which can be done with the help of big data. Okay, so here first we will solve the second one about the personal detail on social media. If someone asks you, so what precaution you are going to take? So your answer will be never give password. Third party apps use different password for each of your social media account. Set up your security answer option. Be selective with friend requests. Use strong password. Remember to log out when your work is done. So this are the important points that you have to remember while you're on your social media account. Okay, now moving further to the second question about big data use of negative word. So our answer is no. The data can be used for negative things also. Some of them are as follow. It can be used for manipulation of customer records. It can be used for political manipulations. Misuse of personal information can be done. It can be used for cyber crimes. Okay, now moving further. Third one, do you think all the data we receive is used for positive thing? If no, make a list of negative thing which can be done with the help of big data. See here also the same answer is there, and this is also the other another answer is given to you people. Whatever you feel better, you can go with it. Okay, I'm just having a reading of it. Take a screenshot and write it down in your English notebook. So the first point over here is scams offering huge amount of money, hacking down entire system or organization, theft of money from bank accounts, misuse of the images and personal data, blackmailing and fulfilling evil intentions, making fake accounts on social media, credit card fraud, stealing of credit card numbers, selling email addresses to advertisers, auto spam of email accounts, contacts, creating fake evidences for jurisdictions. Okay, so these are the negative, sorry, these are the positive things, and we have made a list of the negative things which can be done with the help of big data. Now the A3, get the meaning of the following idiom and phrases of use them in sentence of your own. One is done for you, one size fits all. So here the answer is suitable for or used in all circumstances, and the sentence is the wrist watches have adjustable belt, so one size fits all. Then second is once in a blue moon. So your meaning is very rarely. An answer you can write full sentence, you can write phrase, you can make as my friend Rahul come to school once in a blue moon. Second, one man army. Its meaning is well trained combatant able to face numerous enemies okay at once. Answer can phrases you can make it like Shivaji Maharaj used to fight like a one man army. Once bitten, twice shy. Here, the meaning of this is person who has failed or been hurt when trying to do something is careful, fearful to do it again. And here, the phrase you can make like I'm really worried about some using elevator again since I was stuck into it for hours. Once bitten, twice shy. Then the last one is one up on. Its meaning is to have or get an advantage over someone, and the answer you can write like phrases you can make it Virat and his friends are always trying to get up on each other. Moving further to the next question, A4 was directed. Advertisers are one of the biggest player in big data. So here the sentence we have to begin the sentence with very few. Your answer will be like very few players in big data are as big as advertiser. Here few has not been mentioned. It is typing mistake. Okay. So you have to write very few players in big data are as big as advertisers. Second, advertisers are one of the biggest player in big data. Of the same question, second he has asked us to do is use bigger than and rewrite the sentence. So your sentence will be advertisers are bigger than many other players in big data. Okay. Then B, come to the next question. B, no other diagnosis is as good as the diagnosis done with the help of big data. So here what we have to do, use best and rewrite the sentence. So your sentence will be the diagnosis done with the help of big data is the best diagnosis. Second, of the same sentence, use better than and rewrite the sentence. The diagnosis done with the help of big data is better than any other diagnosis. Okay, I hope you people are getting it. Uh, we have already completed by the degree of comparison. Okay, so this will might be very easy for you people. Okay, moving further to the third question. See, this internet giants provides the greatest data about people. Begin the sentence with no other. No other internet giants provide as great data about people as this internet. Second, use greater than and rewrite the sentence. This internet giants provide greater data about people than any other giants. Moving further, use as well as either or in the following sentence. I hope the video clip is clear to of you. Take a screenshot. I'm not going to read. I have written the question as well as the answer, so you have to write down in your book. Okay, I hope you have taken a screenshot of this. Moving further, A5. Interview the student of your class regarding the career they would like to pursue and the reason for selecting that particular career. Collect the data of your class and analyze the information you have collected. Okay, so you can take interview of any of your one of your friend and write it down in your book. Okay, so this is homework for you. Then A5 second one, to listen well is a powerful means of influence as to talk well as is essential to all through conversation from a group and have a group discussion on the topic. So your group discussion you have to do, so take one friend and discuss, or you can take help of your brothers and sisters also and write it down your answer. This is also homework for you. A6, find out job opportunities in the following areas and the skill required for them. Now here you can take the any one and you have to find out the job opportunity in this and the skill required for them. Okay, so this will be homework for you people. So here I will like to end by the 1.4 big data big insight we have completed by icebreakers and brainstorming activity. Next video I will be posting of the explanation of the chapter but not textual, the gist of the chapter. Okay, so till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.